guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a standing single leg extension. To do this, we want to make sure that we are standing with really great posture, with our chest nice and proud and our back completely straight. We're going to pick a leg and we're going to extend it. I want you to really challenge yourself and see how high you can pick up your leg. This is going to require quite a bit of balance from the standing leg, so focus on keeping the leg up as high as possible, flexing the toes, pointing, so the quads flexed, and you're going to feel a lot in that hip flexor as well as the outer hip of the standing leg. It's going to be really easy to kind of let that leg fall, but I want you to fight, keep it up, keep everything nice and tall, not ever bending in the standing leg. Standing leg is nice and straight as well. So for more excellent core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.